Hi guys, welcome to Soul Pump Fitness. Today we have a good friend with us. She is a yoga teacher as well, Adee from Kickbackyoga. And lady.
Today we're going to talk a little bit about hip openers, and I'm going to show you a couple ways that you can stretch your hips and relieve some lower back pains.
Stick with us.
Yay! So most of us live in a modern society, which means that we sit a lot. And all that sitting can cause a lot of tension in our hips. And that tension can create tension in the lower back and cause lower back pains and sciatica. So I'm just going to show you a couple of stretches that you can do to open up your hips and relieve your lower back. You can incorporate that in your workout, in your yoga practice, or just take 5-10 minutes in the end of the day and go ahead and do those stretches. So we're going to start with single pigeon pose. And we're going to start in downward facing dog. So for downward facing dog, you're going to take the right leg up and bring it forward so your shin bone is on the mat. You're going to reach the back leg back. Take a big inhale, lift your chest, and exhale, come down. You can stay on your forearms, on your hands, or melt yourself all the way down. If you feel you need some elevation under your front hip, you can go ahead and place a block, a blanket, even a bunch of books. Whatever you feel that can give you support, you can go ahead and do that. Try to find a nice comfortable stretch and breathe between 5 to 10 breaths. Once you're done, inhale back up and exhale, push yourself back to downward facing dog. Don't forget to do the other side as well. The next stretch is thread the needle. And you're gonna start laying down on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the mat. You're gonna take the right foot, right ankle over the left knee, and then you're gonna grab either behind the left knee or behind the left shin. You want to make sure that your shoulder blades are flat on the mat and that your feet are flexed. That's very important. And you're going to start pressing your right knee back as you pull in the left leg. Again, try to find a nice comfortable stretch. Stay between 5 to 10 breaths. Once you're done, release back to the starting pose and do the other side. The next pose we're going to do is lizard pose. So again, starting for downward facing dog. This time you're going to take the right leg and place it on the outer side of your right hand and place the left knee down. Now you can go ahead and stay here on your hands, take a couple of breaths. If you feel like you want to get lower, you can come on your forearms. It's okay if your right foot lifts a little bit off the mat. Just make sure it's flexed all the time. If you want to get like really creative and groovy, you can go ahead and take a little stretch. Open your chest to the side of the front leg. If you want to add another stretch, you can also grab the back foot, and then you get an extra quad stretch. Again, try to find a nice comfortable spot. Take between 5 to 10 breaths, and once you're done, go back to downward facing dog and do the other side. The last pose I'm going to show you is Baddha Konasana. It's a really nice pose to release your hips. You're going to bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall to the sides. You can bring your feet close or a little further apart from your body. Really try to find what feels nice and comfortable to your body. And you can stay here sitting. Just let gravity work on dropping your knees down. Or if you want, you can take an inhale and bring it down. Release your head, round your back. Again, take 5 to 10 breaths. And when you're done, come back up. So these are just a couple of hip openers that you can do. Whatever you do, don't forget to be mindful with yourself. Try to find a safe work with your body. Try to find a nice stretch, nice comfortable place. Take a couple of breaths there. And don't overdo it. Don't ever push yourself to a place where it's not safe for you anymore. So thank you all for watching. And thank you so much for Soul Pump Fitness for having me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Soul Pump Fitness YouTube channels. They are so awesome. And go ahead and follow me. I'm Kickbackyoga. And only good vibes always.